Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Curious how to create smooth, dynamic transitions in Canva? I'll show you how. First, click the Create button to start a new project. For this sample, select Presentation from the options to use the presentation template style. Click the Presentation tab in the top menu to access your slides and start presenting your content. Drag an element onto the canvas for this example. Select the bird graphic from the side panel, then click and drag it into place. This will let you use the bird as your chosen element. Add another page by pressing Ctrl and D on your keyboard. This shortcut quickly duplicates your current page, saving time and keeping your layout consistent. Now you're ready to continue working with an exact copy of your previous page. Next, place the second item in the center and continue. Now, add the third item to this position. At this point, you should have 3 pages visible. You'll also notice the birds are now in motion, flying across the display. To see this effect, hover your cursor over the middle section. This will trigger the animation, allowing you to observe how the interface responds. To add this transition, click Add Transitions. In the transition options, select Match Move. Adjust the duration to 1 second for a smoother effect. Next, click Apply between all pages to ensure the transition is used throughout your project. Now, let's preview the changes to see how the Match Move transition looks between your slides. Press Ctrl, Alt, and P together, or press the side button shown, then use the arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate. The animation plays, and you'll see the object appear to fly across the screen. That completes the effect. Preview your animation to make sure it looks right, and adjust settings if needed until you're satisfied with the flying motion. You've learned how to use the Match and Move transition in Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.